We're trying to help mommy.
You're trying to help me. Hey, the great pumpkin is back again.
The weeks, and the six, and the walks.
Okay. I'm looking at you. Mason, I'm looking at you and your pumpkin. Look at mommy. Hey cuties, I wore her today. What do you think? She's giving me Whitney Houston realness at this point. She was cute earlier when I actually had her brushed out and wet and everything, and she just got bigger and shorter as the day got longer, but it's still cute. Left it on just to show you guys, and I think I'm gonna play with it tonight. I think I'm gonna straighten it and put some big wand curls in it, and see if I can give it some type of a wave instead of this curl. And then, I mean, for the price, if it doesn't revert back to this curl, I'm cool with it, but I'm gonna try it. So stick around, why don't you? Okay, so I got this far and then decided that I was tired and I just didn't feel like doing it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this and let it go back to the original texture. And I'm just gonna buy a blown out wig because it's coming out nice, but there's still this much more to do and it's late. I'm tired. Bye.
Like that. And that's what he did.
This is how it came out after I recurled it after I straightened it. I feel like I should be in a girl group in the 60s and 70s. I hate that every time you guys see me, I'm in a robe, but yes, I do dress up for work. See? What? Looking nice? I'm talking to the camera. I'm talking to the cuties. So I do look decent sometimes. I think I'm gonna try to do that for you more often. But I just got these earrings and I want you to see them. Got them from Amazon. They are a dupe for, let me look it up. Okay, I found it. It is a dupe earring. And this is what they look like. Oh, God, don't look at my band-aids. Hold on. This is what they look like. So pretty. They're actually bigger than I thought. Look at them in my hand. That's big. Let me take out these, and I'm going to put these in so you can see how they look. Don't even ask me what happened here. Don't ask. Ooh, they're heavy too. Oh, and look at that. They give you, there's backs on it, and then they send you
Mommy,
extra backs. Yes, baby.
there's a green bunny in my back.
There's a green bunny on your back.
Her.
Oh, that's right.
Allie. Let's go, Maui.
And you know what? As heavy as they feel in my hand, they don't feel heavy in my ears. That's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh. Oh, and I like it with this hair because, like, you can see I have an earring on, but you can't really see the earring. And then it's like peekaboo. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Yes, yes. Would you guys like a video on all the dupes that I got from Amazon, the jewelry dupes? Because I think I have a nice collection of them now. So pretty. I like those. Honey,
Yes.
these earrings cost, you like them?
Yes.
$880 from both. $880 because these are the large ones. The small ones I think are like $650 or something like that. I put them. I put them.
$800.
I put them on Afterpay.
I'm gonna get myself another drink. Bro, that's cat.
I love how you go along with this with me. Don't
It
they
was
look?
really good on you, though. I'm glad it was only $11.
First of all, get out of my Amazon cart, okay? Okay? You like them for real?
I do.
And that's exactly why I cut the camera off just now.
Damn it.
They look cute, right?
They do look cute, though.
Is that why you like mommy's earrings?
They do look cute.
Mommy.
Yes, sideways.
Open it.